Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing start to your Halloween. So today I'm going to be doing hopefully one of the quickest recaps on how I made a little bit over $1,000, which amounts to about 2.5 to about 3% based off of my average position size. So I'm going to go ahead and start sharing my screen. I don't know how many of you guys had issues with your TD Ameritrade account today, but there was nonstop technical issues, especially during the very beginning hours of the market open. So hopefully you guys got all of that resolved. All together on the day, as you guys can see, $1,014.40. A majority of this, $973, was made off of DGAS. And I'm going to explain exactly and show you my entries and my exits. These were a total of 13 orders. My first order starting at 6:41 a.m. and my last order at 8:30. So in under 2 hours of trading, I exceeded my daily goal. So again, this week nonstop, I've only had one red day and it was about $38. I'm up over $2,000, so I made up for that slow day. And every single day other than Tuesday, I've been up $500, which has been my daily goal. So let's go ahead and get right to it. Today was super simple and it doesn't always perform like this. I want to make sure that it's super clear that natural gas just was nonstop selling off. Today's Thursday, it's the natural gas report, and one of the things that we saw is the natural gas report came out. It actually ended up recovering very quickly and then aggressively sold off. One of the things that I like to focus on, and again, this is just based off of what I like to focus on in my opinion, I like to focus on overall direction. When natural gas sells off, what goes up? DGAS, the inverse ETN. There's no question. Watch yesterday's video, and one of the things that I tried to emphasize is that natural gas is no longer a good deal. And because it's so overbought, and this overall hype due to weather forecast is what's been driving the price up, once the actual fundamentals come into line and the overall inventory report was released, there's no question that it was super overbought. And again, that is exactly what we experienced today. It peaked out today, it pulled back, and it was just non-stop bleeding. Again, it doesn't always perform like this. And again, my daily goal is $500 based off of my reduced daily goal, right? And it was just so easy for me to continue to trade because DGAS just continued to push up as natural gas continued to sell off. So this is what I want to show you. Natural gas was selling off. So how did I make money off of DGAS? How about I just show you exactly where I bought and sold? As you can see, $973 was made. And again, this was in a span of less than 2 hours. Again, I had super simple focuses. Buying the low points, selling the high points. I missed this huge push right here. Buying the low points, selling the high points. You guys can almost see this horizontal pattern that it had for about 3 to 4 hours during the market. Again, I'm not trying to focus on extreme high points, but you can see it's very simple to see as natural gas is bullish on the day. As natural gas is bearish on the day and the inverse ETN, which is DGAS, is bullish, it's very easy to see the high points, the low points, the high points, the low points, the high points, the low points, the high points, the low points. It pulled back a little bit, bounced off of that middle VWAP, but again, indicators can only do so much, right? It's that price action and that overall confirmation of direction that matters. And nonstop, just DGAS continued to rise, to rise, to rise. I missed out on the greater part of DGAS, and it was because I was focusing a little bit more on this investment property that I just bought earlier or last Friday. So I'm going to be closing on that investment property on Monday. I'm super excited about that. I'm super happy with how my day played out. Again, $1,014. Again, it's not the biggest screen day, but as you guys can see, and you guys can do the math, my biggest position size was 350 shares on DGAS. That's about $35,000 if I'm not mistaken. So if you guys do the math, I made about 2.5 to about 3% if you take my average position size. And in my opinion, that's very good. Again, one of my biggest focuses has been trying to focus on being consistent and feeling comfortable with what I'm trading. If you're questioning what you're getting yourself into, and if you're questioning whether you should be selling, holding, or locking in profits, maybe you should either reduce the amount of money that you are trading with because obviously you're still in the very early stages, or move to paper trading, which is simulation trading, and that will simply allow you to practice and focus what's important, and that's the actual trade itself, and not hoping that you make money. So we had an amazing free live trading session today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to check it out if you guys haven't done so already. It's about 1 hour long. I know that's quite a bit, and it's Halloween, so I know that's probably not what you guys want to do during your Halloween. But if you have time, you guys can speed it up. We talked about a couple good things within that live stream, and one of the things that I want to remind you is if you enjoyed this video and if you enjoyed the live trading session from today, we are running our biggest sale ever, which is $75 off the Learn Plan Profit team. If you're ready to join for the course, the live trading, and the private group chat, it's all inclusive. It's $75 off. It's our biggest sale ever, and that is that first link below. If you are ready. Feel free to send me any messages or any questions that you might have. I put my number down below. You guys can send me a text at 480-261-6678. Again, that number for you is provided for you down below. I really do appreciate your guys' time. I hope you guys have an amazing and blessed Halloween. We'll see you all that join Learn Plan Profit tonight, tomorrow at market open. Again, to make sure that we end the week on a green note. I really hope that I earned your thumbs up. Hope you guys have an amazing Halloween. And again, be safe, have fun, and let's make some money. Take care.